Hello Sunny fam, welcome to your fast-paced walking interval and recovery workout. If you're looking for a moderate workout, then this is the place for you. Welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Chaz and I'm your Sunny trainer for today's workout. We have a huge library of cardio and bodyweight workouts, and we release new workouts every week, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to stay up to date with new releases. With that being said, we have a great moderate workout today on our manual treadmill. So first things first, let's go ahead and get on. I want you to make sure you always get on safely. This workout's entirety is going to be done on the treadmill, so we will not be hopping off unless you need to grab some water, run to the restroom, towel off, whatever it is, just make sure you do it in a safe manner. So first things first, we have intervals. We're going to be doing each set at a 2-minute interval pace. So let's hop on, and we're gonna start with our interval, which is the harder or quicker pace of the two. From there, and just start walking. Just like that. So the first part of our interval is a quicker pace. So we wanna go a little bit quicker. Notice how I'm holding on just to make sure that I'm locked in. I'd hate for you to walk so fast you get swept back. But while we're walking, we wanna stay tall, and we just wanna focus on our breath. Good. Keep it up, and if at any moment you need to stop, catch your breath, and then keep going, that option's always there for you. But we wanna stay tall as we walk. Just like that, you guys. Good. It's okay to look down. I'd hate for you to step on a shoelace or get your feet mixed up. So if you look down and you need to feel comfortable doing that, that's totally okay. Keep it up, keep it up. Good. Good job, you guys. And now let's go ahead and catch that breath for a second. So now the next part of the interval, we're gonna walk half speed. So let's slow it down, just like that. Good, so we're at that half speed pace. And then the last part of the 30 seconds, we're gonna slow down even more to a regular pace, just to adjust our breathing before we go back to that fast pace. So it's essentially a descending intensity workout. So, all right, so now let's slow it down to that normal walking pace. Whatever pace you walk when you're walking to the restroom, well, maybe not walk to the restroom, but walk to the couch, walk to the car, but just walking in general. And this right here is where, if you need to hop off, this might be a good place for you to do it. Good. Just like that. Good. Catch your breath if you need to, and then keep right back on it. Good. All right, so now we're back to our fast pace. Let's go and pick it up a little bit quicker. Good. There we go. Just like that, you guys. So we're back to our fast pace. Now, this is a perfect recovery workout. A lot of times we think recovery means just sit and do nothing, but for the actual sake of recovery, you need movement. Movement is medicine. So whether you had a tough leg day yesterday, or you're just super sore, or you just want to get movement going, this is a great workout for you. Keep it up, you guys. Now, the thing about a manual treadmill is that you make it move. There's no button for you to push to turn it on. It's that your force or weight of each step creates traction to drag the treadmill. It just creates motion. All right, let's slow it down to half speed here, you guys. Slow it down to half speed. Excellent, you guys. Good work. Good. So remember, we're breathing. We're not stopping yet. That's the second part of this half speed. And now you can slow it down to that normal walking pace. Whenever I'm out and about, I do walk pretty slow, I'm not gonna lie. Unless I'm in a rush and there's some place I need to get to. Now, another thing I want you to think about is we don't want to be flat-footed when we walk. So you are touching the whole foot as you walk, but you're initially pushing off the ball of the foot. All right, you guys ready? We're gonna pick up that pace and let's pick it up. Just like that. Good. There we go, you guys. Stay tall and just focus on that breathing. Good work, you guys. Keep it up. There we go. Good. Just hold that pace, you guys, hold that pace. It's not a sprint, it's just a little bit quicker than your average pace here. You could even hold on up here if you like. That's another place you can hold on. I like to hold on a little bit further back. Keep it up, we're almost there. And slow it down. Good work, good work. Breathe it out. Just like that. There you go. Good. Just focus on that breath. We're at that 50%. Now you might have noticed your paces are starting to drop from what they were in the beginning. That's okay, that's fatigue. That's what happens in a workout. The goal, let's slow down a little more now to that normal pace. The goal is to hold, but every set you usually start with a little less in the tank. That's just the way it goes. So just keep focusing on consistently going as opposed to the intensity of what you're doing. That makes sense, all right? Keep breathing. Let's go back to that pace in 3, 2, 1, and there we are. Good, now I'll give you guys another tip or another thing to work on. I want you guys to work on engaging that core, right? It's easy to think, oh, we're just walking, we're holding on, I'm getting that heart rate up, I'm working on my cardio. But now if you engage that core, you're doing more, right? So I want you to think about just engaging. Flex that stomach, focus on breathing, staying tall, keeping that posture and your pace. Just like that. Good. There you go. Before you know it, your stomach's gonna be a little sore. Good. Make sure you pick those feet up. We're almost there. And slow it down. 50%. Good. There it goes. This should be real minute. Real minute. There you go. From the outside looking in, you may not see the speed change, but for the person on the treadmill, you can feel the speed change, all right? Let's slow down even more to that normal walking pace. This is I'm in the grocery store shopping, or I'm at school or at work. I'm not necessarily in a hurry. I'm just regular walking, all right? That's your pace right here. Remember, this is your moment to catch that breath, grab water if you need to. But now we're getting ready to start that last hard pace again, or that last quicker pace. All right, let's do it. Focusing on that breath, the entirety. And like I said, keep that core engaged. Stay tall, push out the ball of the foot. Just like that, you got it. Awesome work, you guys. Nice and steady. There you go. Good. And this is a recovery workout, so we don't need to dig deep the last part, the last second push past what we've been doing. We just need to maintain. Just hold and maintain. Good, couple more seconds. Keep that pace, hold it. And slow it down. We're at that half speed pace now. There you go. Excellent work, excellent work. Nice and steady, real simple. Simple pimple. Good. There you go, you guys, nice. Now let's slow down even more. Good. There you go. Now, one of the things that is a challenge, because you're walking so slow, make sure you're going through your checklist like we just said. You're staying tall, you're not flat-footed, you're not slouching, and you're breathing. Good job, you guys. Nice and steady. A couple more seconds. Now slowly and safely, we're gonna come to a stop. And just like that, that's your 10-minute walking workout. Good job, you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next.
If you enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I teach boxing, mobility, and yoga. Plus, many more from all the Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below.